Hey guys, it's me Mango's Woman to a video, and we're back in Potatocraft. Got a little polar bear head here, and we're currently inside the direct house, which was made last episode. Now, I've got some plans for this episode. Number one, well, not gonna happen first, but I think I'll finish it this episode. Not today, probably tomorrow. I'm at least going to start doing this castle wall, and I will be doing that in a time lapse. Using CapCut also. And this is Pixel Cat. Now, I feel like I'm gonna be putting Pixel Cat in somebody's house. So, that'll be cool. I think I'll put it in our other person's house. The newest member you guys have seen. There's one other person, but they don't play too much. Just kind of hop on a few. And they don't have a base, so I won't really include them in any episode. I have the stuff, but I don't know which book is Fortune 3. Click the book symbol. Now, the audio in these episodes is very bad. That's weird. I might do that first. And the shop, he's in the bottom left. Is there the Minecraft language? The enchanting table. Oh, wit? Never mind. I found it, okay. Oh, wit? What does that mean? Is that some ancient Potatocraft language? Never seen before, people. Never seen before. So I'm gonna be heading over to our friend's base. And this isn't much of a prank. But it's just a small thing that I don't think he'll like. Well, you never know, he might. But I don't think he's gonna keep it. Oh wait, I do have one. Very nice. What the heck? How did I kill a yellow sleep? Yellow sheep. That's cool. I don't know how he got that. Yeah, it did link up correctly. Now I want to see if he's done any progress in here. He has. Gotta kill you. Now, any ender pearls? No, nothing. So I'm gonna sleep. Got my cyan bed. Can I sleep down here? Yeah, it's close enough down. There. I'm gonna be making this thing. And it's not much of a prank. At all. But I'm gonna do it anyways, because I like it. Oh, I like the... Never mind. It's not actually there. What? This villager is OP. I know. Come look at its max. After I finish this thing. Take some soul time. so this just goes down. I think he did a Potatocraft live where he mined that out. So yeah, look at the toolsmith. Oh, he maxed out the toolsmith? Those are diamond tools with like enchantments on them. Now, my plan is to like, I don't know, where do I put this? Like here? 1, 2, 3. Polar bears don't attack you unless you attack them, right? Yeah, he's a nice dude. Okay. So we're gonna hop over here. And you know, the only prank we did last season. This isn't a prank, okay? It's not a prank. Not a prank. We're just kind of doing this. I think it'll look cool. And it might be to take down, so. Okay. This is hard. So touch that. Welcome Pixel Cat to the SMP. You know, that wouldn't be too bad of a Minecraft name. Pixel Cat, I like it. Someone make that their channel name right now. It's cool, you know? I got that. It's got that cool Minecraft YouTuber vibe. Yeah. No. A bunch of iron. I don't have that much iron, okay? Ugh. I'm doing something wrong here. Well, good luck with that, kid. No. Never kind. Never kind. Boom, boom. Oh, this is too big. I did something wrong here. Yeah, it's easy to tell it's too big, but how is it too big? What's the problem? Because it looked good, man. It looked pretty good. So I'm confused on what I did here to mess it up. That wouldn't look good. Especially since I have 15 oak. 1 second. I'm gonna stop recording this. Because I need to figure out what I did here. So I'll see you in a second once I figure out how to finish this little ice cat. Bye. So, I'm back, guys. I finished the cat again, and I actually know what it looks like. I used some mushroom blocks for the ears, and now it is completely blocking his entrance, so he cannot get out. If he was in there when he quit, well, he's stuck until he breaks it. So, yeah. I think it looks like a pretty cool little cat that we got here in our little, this cave thing. I don't know. So, I have some questions. Now, I want to know, do arrows despawn? Well, I know they do. But, like, how long does it take them to despawn? Especially if no one's in the area. Do they instantly despawn? Because I'm not going to be over here in this area. And I kind of want to shoot the top blocks. So to break them, if you're under them, you get hit by all the arrows. But I don't know. So that's the problem. Now, how do I, like, really make this into a prank? I'm quite sure he doesn't have Silk Touch. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure. So, that could play into this a little. I don't know. I could encase the cat in ice with the water. If that even works. I think I'm just gonna keep the cat like this for now. So, that's Pixel Cat. We'll see. Wait. Just gotta make sure there's nothing I can do that could possibly do something like, you know, I just want a little bit of redstone. Just kind of need to borrow just a little bit. Just 2. 1. And, you know, maybe this bow. Just maybe this is, you know, it's fine. These aren't expensive materials. He doesn't need it. So, he doesn't need that, right? Wait, no, that's not it. Actually, I can do this a lot easier. Just put this down here. And arrows on. And get some of this. I don't know if he watches my videos. I hope he doesn't. If he does, then you get a little bit of a precaution. Perfect. And now, to wrap the gift, make a sign. So he's like, oh, I want some cookies. Gets onto the pressure plate and then Bam. So, that wasn't the best prank. But it's probably the best one in the Potatocraft server so far. Because there hasn't been much. Trust me. There's barely been any pranks. I'll take that. So, it's the best prank this season, because it's the only prank this season. And, I might head over to Extras. But, you'll see where I am in the next clip. I'll see ya once I get wherever. And bye. I'm back. This is where I decided to go. I decided to go to Mr. Potion Master's base. And I'm just here to ask him something. I hope you're watching this video. If you are, so, if I come in here and I look over here, you have all of these great heads, That's all great and all. But I don't care about a lot of them except for 2. And these 2 are things that I need. So if you're watching this, can I do a trade for this? So I want 1 salmon head and that cod head. That is for my fishing store that I'm going to be making later in the season. Not been any episode pretty close to this, but it is coming, so that is a thing. So yeah, if you can hit me up on that trade, please do. I do really want that. So yeah, it was just a short stop here. But nevertheless, it is a stop here, and I really want that trade. Fishing stories, Godhead, that would add a lot of detail to it. It's gonna have a dock attached to it and a bunch of other stuff, which will really make it look quite legit. And yeah, so I'm gonna head over back to my base, and we're gonna start on the castle wall, which we will be doing the time lapse on. And I will not be doing that time lapse today. I will be doing that tomorrow. But you guys are gonna see it as today. Last episode, if you watched it, we got a bunch of cobblestone from destroying part of that mountain, which was defying gravity, so I had to break it. And because of that, I have enough cobblestone to build this. Maybe not andesite and stone, but definitely enough cobblestone. Let's grab it. So we're here, and tomorrow I start on this, which will be in a few seconds for you guys. So bye to me, but hello to you, I guess. And that time lapse should be starting just about, I'd say, right now. Okay, so that is the end of this time lapse, and I've got quite a bit done. I finished this side basically completely. However, this side, we still need to work on that tower and connect this wall around the side of this building. Out here, we're going to have the rest of our buildings, except for the wizard tower, which I will put over there somewhere. And, it's looking pretty good, I'd say. Many, many details are in this. By many, I mean the granite and the gravel just kind of mixed in, which I think looks pretty good. And I had a lot of difficulty with this tower, but it should be easier with this as I've already finished the first layer. And it goes pretty deep down. If we looked at it from the other side, we'll see how deep it really goes. Which might not be too much. This isn't much of a mega base compared to something like Hermitcraft. But for me, it's definitely pretty big. And it might even be bigger than my Season 1 base. I'm not sure, though. So that's going to be it for this episode. And I hope you enjoy. Like the video if you want to see more of Pixel Cat. And, you know, I have a bit of a rule. Not a rule, but an idea for it. So here's how it works. Maybe you can have it so that every time you get the Pixel Cat in your base, you take it down and you move it to somebody else's base. Once you do that, you'll be done with it until someone else gives it back to you. And the person that you put it back in their base, they do the same. And it just keeps going like that. So, yeah. Hopefully that's how it'll work. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna bone meal. Just a little bit of bone meal. Some over here. Boom. And that's gonna be it for this episode of Potatocraft. As I walk into my beautiful little interior decorated house. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye! 君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実